Let's see how to cut and paste in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to rearrange our document. And what we can do is to use Microsoft Word's cut and paste feature. And to do that, first, highlight the text that you want to rearrange or to cut from the document. Let's say we want to transfer this second paragraph at the bottom of our page. Now right click after highlighting, and you should be able to see cut right here. And as you can see, that block of text has been removed and is now in our clipboard. And from here, you can simply click or select where you want to paste your text. And you can and you'll see the option to paste right here, or simply press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste your text that has been cut from the document. And as you can see, our text has now been transferred to the bottom of our page. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.